Good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Starlink is revolutionizing global internet access, and now there's a new option to consider, the Starlink Mini. But how does it compare to the original Starlink standard dish? If you're trying to decide which one is right for you, whether you're off-grid, traveling, or just want a more compact solution, this video breaks it all down. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most obvious difference: size and portability. The Starlink standard dish, often nicknamed the Dishy, is about 20 inches wide and weighs around 9.2 pounds. It's designed for permanent installation and isn't really portable. On the other hand, the Starlink Mini is significantly smaller, just 11.4 inches wide and weighs only 2.4 pounds. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack and runs on USB-C PD power. That means you can run it off a power bank or solar setup, perfect for mobile users, campers, or van lifers. Next up, speed and performance. The standard dish typically delivers speeds between 50 to 250 megabits per second, depending on your location and network congestion. Latency averages around 30 to 50 milliseconds, making it great for gaming and video calls. The Mini holds its own too. It offers speeds of around 50 to 100 megabits per second with similar latency. While it may be slightly slower, it still comfortably supports streaming, video conferencing, and everyday browsing without major issues. In short, the standard dish offers higher peak performance, but the Mini performs surprisingly well for its size. Power and installation. This is where the Mini really shines. The Starlink Mini is optimized for low power usage and portability. Consumes just 20 to 30 watts, while the standard can draw 50 to 75 watts. Setup is also simpler with the Mini. It's truly plug and play, designed for temporary setups like road trips, camping, or emergency use. In contrast, the standard dish requires a fixed install, typically roof-mounted, and usually runs off your home power system. Now let's talk availability and price. The standard dish is widely available and works with all Starlink plans: residential, roam, and business. The Mini, however, is currently limited to select users in the US and only works with roam plans. As of mid-2025, you also need to already have an existing account to get one. Price-wise, the Mini costs around $599, while the standard ranges from $499 to $599 depending on your plan. So you're not really saving money with the Mini, it's more about portability than price. So which one should you get? Go for the Starlink standard if you want the fastest speeds, a permanent setup, and wider coverage. Choose the Starlink Mini if you need a portable, low-power option for travel or emergencies, and you don't mind being on a roam plan. Remember, both use the same Starlink satellite network, so the right choice really depends on your use case. Let us know in the comments, which one would you pick? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Press the notification button as well. Bye-bye.